Hey guys, it's SAT1 Math with Joe Beck, and this is actually our final lecture in a sense, right? It's lecture 24. And actually today, we're just going to be going over another test. So it is tricky SAT problems tier 2. All the problems that you see following are from real tests, or real questions from the actual real exam on the SAT1, taken from previous tests of different years, okay? So that means that all of these are accurate portrayals of what you'll get. However, obviously, since they are tricky, I'll give you probably the hardest problems that you guys will ever get. So all the ones that are at the end of each section, okay? So like I said, if you guys don't get all of these right, don't worry about it. These are of the tougher problems that you'll ever see. But this actually includes all the different types of questions that we've done. So hopefully you guys will do a good job. Before we do that, let's actually go over a comic. This is one of my favorites on math, right? I love Calvin and Hobbes. So therefore, this is the last real comic I'll give you, right? So basically, the Calvin is asking, I don't think math is a science. I think it's a religion, right? And Hobbes like, what? A religion, right? And Calvin goes, yeah. All these equations are like miracles. You take two numbers and when you add them, they magically become one new number. No one can say how it happens. You either believe it or you don't. Just, right? So he goes, this whole book is full of things that have to be accepted on faith. It's a religion, right? He's looking at his math book, right? And in the public schools, was it no less? Call a lawyer, right? So that's like how I was saying, like the public schools no less, call a lawyer. And Calvin goes, as a math atheist, I should be excused from this. Okay, so I think it's funny because overall, a lot of people think of every excuse not to do math. But as you have seen through all these lectures, math can be fun, right? Math can be challenging as well, but to figure them out is always rewarding. So let us finish these next upcoming 8 questions, and I will be able to congratulate you. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to read each problem, right? And I want you to pause it, solve it, right? Do the next problem, pause it, solve it. And then I'm going to go all the way back to the beginning again and just do the solutions all for you, okay? Sounds good? So the first one has a symbol here. It says the figure above represents 4 offices that will be assigned randomly to 4 employees. 1 employee per office. Karen and Tina are 2 of the 4 employees. What is the probability that each will be assigned an office indicated with an X? Okay, so again, pause it. We'll finish it. Okay, and then next problem. Okay, a 4-digit integer, w, x, y, z, in which y, x, or w, x, y, and z each represents a different digit, is formed according to the following rules. Okay, x equals to w plus y plus z. Okay, w is equal to y plus 1. Z is equal to w plus minus 5. So what is the 4-digit integer? It's pretty challenging, so pause it. Okay, and then let's move on to the next problem. Okay, a salesperson